Samsung Galaxy Note 20. This one is not the Ultra version, but the camera glass looks a little bit similar to the Ultra. The first thing will be to hit the camera glass area first in order to start doing this replacement. Next, I'm going to use my green scalpel in order to remove the broken camera glass. So I'm going to put the green scalpel on the edge here and try to lift the broken camera glass. So while doing this, you're going to have a little bit of broken camera glass on your table. It is only one big double-sided tape for this whole camera glass, so this is why it is all sticking together. So at this point, I'm going to hit again the camera glass area in order to help me remove it more easily. Before I do that, I'm going to stick this metal tool here and hit the camera glass area. Now I'll take my green scalpel and go around near the camera lens and just go below the double-sided tape and keep pulling. Here's how it looks currently. So I'm going to continue on this side. So most of the camera glass on this area has been lifted, so I just need to do it on this side. When it's broken like this, it means that there is not enough heat on that area. So I'll just continue with my green scalpel, go below the camera glass, and at the same time lift the camera glass assembly. I can try to pull it with force. While doing this, make sure that you tap the back of the device in order to have all the broken glass on the table. Continue just like this. This camera glass does create a lot of camera glass dust, so you need to tap the device gently on the back in order to avoid having the pieces of glass go inside your camera module area. All the broken camera glass has been removed. Again, gently tap the back of the device. Everything is good now. I have removed all the broken camera glass out of this Note 20. So before I do anything else, I'm going to try to clean and remove all these debris here. Here also, make sure that you gently tap the device so that this does not fall on the inside and on your camera modules. Now I'm going to blow some air on the camera module area in order to push all these stuff that you do not want. So here's the Galaxy Note 20. You need to test the cameras to make sure that they are all in focus and they are all functioning normally. You do not have any problem, blurry pictures, not in focus. You test everything. After you're confident that everything is working properly, you can move to the next step. So the next step will be to use a cotton swab, dip it inside alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, and then you're going to clean the surface where the new camera glass will go in. This is going to remove all the debris, all the dust. on the surface so that the new camera glass will stick properly. So if you didn't remove all the excess dirt that was on the edge of the camera bezel, you will have a lot of dark spot on the cotton swab. So I did this for less than 2 minutes, and after that I'm going to blow some air again to make sure that everything is good. Then here is the new camera glass that is going on this Note 20. So before installation, make sure that you apply some pressure on the camera glass so that the double-sided tape is sticking firmly onto the back of the camera glass. The kit came with this tweezer. I'm going to remove this, grab the camera glass on this side and remove this. Then here is the new camera glass for the Note 20. So I'm just going to drop the camera glass inside the camera bezel area. So just like this. After you drop it, apply some pressure with the tweezer. Then you can use your finger to press with a little bit of force. Do not press with a lot of force on the camera modules area. You risk to damage the camera glass. It might break. So you need to press gently on the camera modules area, and on the other side where the surface is even, you can press a little bit harder. So after this, the camera glass replacement is completed. Now you need to clean the back of the camera glass. Make sure everything is clear. Then after you've done this, you need to test the cameras again. Make sure that you have the same thing that you had before you install the camera glass. As for me, everything looks good. I do not have any issues. All the cameras are in focus. Everything is good. Thank you for watching. If you found the video helpful, subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you on my next video.